guys, welcome to another motor vlog. Today is Saturday 14th December. Guess what? I'm going for another Agra ride. This time it's going to be on the Beamer and it's going to be a day trip, as in we're going to come back the same day. So a few of us, again one of those impromptu plans, a few of us decided to do Agra. We'll head to Trident, Agra for breakfast, finish, have a breakfast and then ride back today itself. Hopefully should be back home by the afternoon. At the moment it's 6:30 in the morning. Lovely weather, clear skies, nice and chilly. So I'm just quickly gearing up. Guys are waiting. I'll catch you guys on the way. Alright, see you guys. Oops, I forgot to take out the cover of that. Anyway, at the meeting point I'll put it off. Okay, let's go. So I reached the meeting point about 5 minutes back. Meeting point in the first one, which is Haldiram, Lajpat Nagar. Dimple Ji is here on the beautiful Ducati Reavel 1260S. Guess who had it before Dimple Ji had it? I had it. So Dimple Ji's got it now. Looking swankingly Vaigrumerkere, all perfect, super. I'm on the GSA. We're waiting for Buffy. Buffy's usually on time, but today I guess he took a few minutes longer on the pot. So he should also be here in another 2-3 minutes. Just got his message. He's kind of tanking up, fueling up right now. Next stop, we shall meet up with the rest. It's a very small group today. We only about 7 or 8 of us heading to Agra. The rest of the gang, we're going to catch them at the starting point of the Yamuna Expressway. Oh, Buffy's here. Buffy's here. Buffy's on his 1600 GTL Beamer. Awesome. Chale, we'll carry on. Chalo. Let's go. So that's, as I was saying, moving now. I will catch you guys at the exit. Okay, bye. Look at that sun. Wow, that is beautiful. I haven't seen a sunrise like that in years. Absolute clear skies, super winter chill. I think the AQI probably is at the lowest today. It's really low. And look at that magnificently round frigging orange sun. Awesome. Good morning, sir.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, ji.
Amazing machine, this is.
Your blessing, sir.
Crazy.
Thank you, ji. Thank you, sir. बस उधर जाऊं.
सब समझ आ गया बाइक तक ही नहीं आया जी.
Oh, सब समझ आ गई. Too good.
But you know the electronics and everything.
Yep. आ गई समझ आ गई जी.
दो ही है इसमें और क्या?
हाँ.
क्या? सस्पेंशन का.
और कोई आ रहा है?
I don't think so.
अच्छा बस हम हैं.
एक बंदा लेगा. एक बंदा सबके लिए लेगा. और क्या? लेगा ही नहीं वो. लेगा नहीं.
Rolling now. 3 of them. How many are there? There are 4 of them. 4 of them have left, and the 3 of us are here. Leave it now. Okay. Woohoo! Agra, here we come. Wait. Oh. Very naughty. Let's go, sir. So we've reached the Jewar toll. There are lots of other bikers also. I think there's another group traveling to Agra. It's a long line. So anyway, Jewar toll. The next one's going to be Mathura toll. I don't think we're stopping at Jewar toll, as in we'll pay the toll tax, collect the receipt, and then head on to Mathura. I think we will stop. That's the plan. We'll stop for a tea, coffee break at Mathura and a loo break, and then head on to Agra. Okay, see you in a bit. We've reached the Mathura toll. Good timing so far. It's what's the time here? It's 8:20 a.m. We started at around 7, and we've got another hour left to reach Trident Agra. Of course, after this toll we're going to stop. So there's another friend of ours who's joining in, Arib. He's going to meet us at the Mathura where we stopped right now. So we've reached first pit stop, proper pit stop. We shouldn't have stopped here. We should have stopped at Food Street, which is ahead. This place is always super crowded, but anyway, everybody wants to stop here, we stop here. Food Street is where we'd stopped last time also when Tarun and I were doing the Agra ride. That's much cleaner, nicer, better loose. Although I'm glad we're not stopping here. We decided to stop ahead at Food Street, which is a much better place. Just waiting for the others to come. The toll's right there. It's about 200-300 meters behind us. So just showing their slips. We shall regroup and move ahead. Bye. Just finished our coffee at the Food Street, Mathura. Now leaving for Agra. Next stop, Trident Agra. Dimpleji missed us, and he kept riding, and he's gone ahead. He's already crossed the third toll. So we've asked him to continue, and he shall meet us at the hotel. We've reached the last toll, just crossing the last toll. Buffy's in front of me, the rest are behind us. Next stop, we've got another half an hour to reach Trident Agra. So we'll catch you guys once there. Okay, bye. We have reached Trident Agra. Leaving now from Trident Agra. So we've hit the first toll on the way back from Agra to Delhi. We've got 2 more tolls to go. I don't think we'll stop at Mathura because we've just started our journey about 30 minutes back. We'd probably stop at Jewar. Let's see where we stop. Anyway, we've just taken a pit stop at the second toll. Now last toll is Jewar, and then we'll be heading back home. So just taking a breather here. Weather is excellent. Hold on, let me see what the time is. It is around 12:30 now, and the weather is excellent. Super. Oh, gearing up, we're leaving now. Next stop, I think we probably stop near Jewar again, and from there we shall bid everybody a goodbye. Okay, see you. So we just slowed down a bit. 2 of our bikers needed fuel in their bikes, so they've just taken that exit, and they've gone to that petrol pump there. They're going to come out from this side and we'll catch them. We are a little short of Jewar toll, by the way. I'm about an hour 20 minutes away from home. By the way, I had gone for the Bryan Adams concert, which was held in Gurgaon on 12th of December, 2 days ago. Bryan Adams is awesome. He's literally God. He's super. He's 65 years old. He still sounds like what he did back in the late 80s and in 90s. But the organizers, Zomato Live, Zomato and HSBC, we got the lounge tickets. Each ticket was for about 25,000 rupees. Now we thought, and those like the top tier tickets. Above that were if you buy a table in the lounge, you could buy numbers, the price went up. But anyway, we got those tickets thinking that we'll get the best experience. I've put in I did put a story up also for that on my Instagram, but I just wanted to speak if anybody is watching from Zomato or HSBC, because I'm going to tag them here. Guys, the Bryan Adams is awesome, but you guys screwed up the experience. The people who were standing near the stage, which were the cheaper tickets, I know what they call, the platinum, gold, or whatever those tickets are called, they were far better. Those people are far better off than the ones which are in the lounge, which is supposed to be the more premier experience, because idiots, like absolutely crazy lunatics, were standing on top of tables and chairs and blocking the view. There were fights breaking out, and this is in the lounge area. I know what was happening in the other areas, the platinum and the gold and the other areas, where everybody was standing near the stage and away from the stage. But this lounge was pathetic. Avinash from Motorrad Jaipur. Dude, I've been getting this error message on my screen every off and on, and then it disappears that the remote key is not there and the ignition will not start. Why is this happening? Avinash, you told me that the battery in the remote is new, and apparently if the battery level goes down, they'll show an indication, but nothing. So sorry, I just change the topic because this message popped up and it's gone again. And this has been happening every few kilometers. So Avinash, if you're listening, you're watching, I'm going to tag you, I'm going to tell you to watch this segment. Tell me, why is this happening? BMW, explain to me, brand new bike, why does this error message keep popping up and then it disappears itself? By the way, I wanted to give you a short review of this tank bag. So this is the SW Motec. I bought this online. I bought it from India itself. The distributors, I think, in Bangalore. Forgotten the name of the website. I'll figure it out. I'll put it in the description. So this is a waterproof 6-liter tank bag. It's got a very cool mount which mounts on the fuel tank. Very, very good bag. First, I've done the entire Agra trip, Delhi on this. It's held up, it's firm, it's super, it's good, it's got decent capacity. Anybody looking for a tank bag which is not too big and doesn't obstruct the view of the dashboard and everything, and you get a clear view and it doesn't feel it's in your face, this is an awesome tank bag to go with. Check it out, SW Motec. I don't remember the model name. It's a 6-liter waterproof bag. They only have 2-3 models in waterproof bags and in 2-3 different sizes. This is the mid size. Alright guys, the ride's come to an end. I'm at Mulchand flyover. It's 2 p.m. I am almost home. I should be home in another 2-3 minutes. We left at 7 in the morning for Agra, took a halt after the Mathura toll, spent about half an hour there, then moved on to Trident Agra. Trident Agra, we spent more than an hour, had a hearty buffet breakfast, went poolside, took some pictures there. Started back from Trident Agra at around 11:30 and took a mini halt on the way. Some guys had to fuel up, and now I'm almost home. It's almost 2:05. Should be home in another 2 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Keep watching, stay tuned. Obviously, like I always say, tune into YouTube for high definition videos so you can watch them on a big screen and nicer picture quality, and Instagram is always there. Thank you, we'll see you next time. All right, till then, cheers.